Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to talk about our feminine hygiene, how to stay fresh all day, how to smell good, how do we take care of our overall hygiene. So we are going to talk about that in this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now personally for me, smelling good and staying fresh all day long is very important because it's about my personal hygiene. I want to smell good all day long, and I think it talks a lot about your personality as well, like what kind of a person you are. And if I sit beside somebody and I think that they smell good, I instantly get impressed and I'm like, oh, this person knows how to take care of themselves. So I think it's about that. And when it comes to our hygiene routine, we think that, oh, if you have taken shower, it's more than enough. We are going to stay fresh and smell fresh all day long. But I think it's more than that, because if you live in a hot and humid city like Delhi, where the moment you step out of the house, you're going to sweat like crazy, you're not going to smell fresh all day long. So there are certain things that you can do to improve your hygiene routine. I'm not saying you have to follow my routine, because my routine honestly is a bit exaggerated. I'm a girl, I can do like 100 different things, but if you do not have time, you can just follow 5 to 6 steps from this routine and you are sorted, you are good, you're going to smell so good and clean all day long. Now, I love to smell like coconut and vanilla. If that's not the kind of fragrance you are into, you can skip this video, because almost all my products are coconutty or vanilla scented. So you can skip if you're not into that kind of fragrance, because I'm that girl. Let's talk about our hair first, because this is the first step I do and then I proceed with the rest of my shower routine. I think it's very important for your hair to smell good, especially if you have long hair, because your scalp can get sweaty and then your hair smell really bad and gross. So yes, your hair should smell good. These days I've been loving this combo right here. This is a coconut milk shampoo and conditioner from OGX. I love this combo so much. Now, this is not my first time trying out this particular variant from OGX. I have used this before. I don't know why did I actually stop using this. I think that time I used to experiment a lot with my products. I used to change my products a lot. So that is why maybe I stopped using it, but I absolutely love this combo. I think it just makes your frizzy hair so smooth, and the fragrance is divine. It smells so good. It smells like coconut and makes your hair smell so fresh and clean all day long. I'm sure you're going to love it. So yeah, definitely give this combo a try. I'm sure you must have seen this product in almost every video of mine, because I love this so much. This makes my hair smell so good. It also protects my hair from heat damage, and it gives a beautiful shine to my hair. So I absolutely love this product. I've been using this for almost 2 to 3 years now, and this was my second bottle, which is almost empty. I can't find a new one. I think it's sold out everywhere, but yes, I'll definitely buy a new one. This perfume from Streak Street is also one of my favorite hair products. It is a hair perfume. It makes my hair smell fresh and clean all day long. I use it on days when I do not wash my hair. Moving to the next step, I think when it comes to washing our body, there is something which I feel is an underrated step, because these days we have started using all of these gel and liquid body washes. We just pour a little bit on our loofah, we clean ourselves, and we think we are good to go. But I think in order to stay fresh and clean all day and to actually clean your body, we should start by using a soap bar first. I like to use these two. This one is from Pears and this one is from Dove. Love the Dove one and the Pears as well. I think they both smell so fresh. This one is very gentle. This one smells really good. It's absolutely smooth on the skin. I personally love using soap bars for my intimate hygiene, because they are very gentle and easy to use. So I personally love using soap bars for that. And to clean my body thoroughly, I go with some soap first. When it comes to body washes, I think you know my favorites. I love the Dove body wash. I love my Chemist at Play body wash. But I think when it comes to the coconut scented body washes. There are very few that I've found. The first one is this one from Pears. It smells like fresh coconut water. It doesn't smell like coconut cream, it smells like coconut water, and I think it smells incredible. And for the price you're paying, this particular body wash is amazing. I love this one. If you're a sensitive skin girly and you think that body washes strip the moisture off your skin and they just do not feel that moisturizing and hydrating, I think you should try out the L'Occitane almond oil shower oil. This is what it looks like. I think this is the most hydrating body wash ever. This acts as a body wash and as a shaving base. Love this one. It has a very subtle scent which feels really good. I think the only thing that I don't like about this product is the price point, because it's very expensive and there is nothing like this product. At least I haven't found anything like this. So if you know of a product which is similar to this, please let me know in the comments below, because I really want to try something like this. This is just too good. Next, I like to scrub my body, but this is something that I don't do every single day. I try to do it at least 2 times a week, because scrubbing your body can actually make your skin feel extremely smooth and polished. And if you want to prevent your skin from ingrown hair, then you have to scrub your body before shaving. You will see a huge difference. These days I'm using this body scrub from Triacle Moon. This is called Goodbye Bumpy Skin. This is the coconut body scrub and this is what it looks like. Love the packaging. Now guys, I do not have enough words about this body scrub. I've used it twice and I can tell you that this is the most incredible body scrub out there when it comes to the fragrance. I think it smells incredible, it smells divine, it smells heavenly. There's nothing like this body scrub. The moment you start scrubbing your body with this, you will feel like eating your body. I'm not even kidding. The smell is so edible. It smells like a dessert and you just want to keep smelling it again and again. It's frustrating. It's frustrating to the extent where you know that you can't eat this product, but it smells edible, it smells beautiful. I can't emphasize enough on the fact that this is the most beautiful smelling body scrub out there, and this is cheaper than the Dove body scrub. So if you want to try a body scrub, just try out this one. This also makes your skin feel really smooth and soft. So yes, definitely worth a try. Now personally for me, shaving my body is a part of my feminine hygiene routine, but it's not related, like shaving particularly is not related to hygiene. If you want to shave your body, you can shave your body. If you don't want to shave your body, just stay clean, you know, stay fresh, and that is all you need. You do not need to remove your body hair in order to stay hygienic. I think they are nowhere related, but I like to shave my body. That is my personal preference, so I shave my body. Now immediately after taking my shower, I like to use some underarm roll-on. I have a few options, but these two are my go-to these days. I either use this one smells very fresh, and this one smells like a perfume actually. So there are days when I apply this one, then there are days when I apply this one. When it comes to moisturizing the body, I like to layer my body with the body oil first, and then I go in with some lotion, and then I go with my body mist and perfume. That way I ensure that my body is fully moisturized, and the body mist and the perfume is going to stay for a really long time, because that way the body mist and the perfume will stick to your body. So definitely it's going to last a long time. I have tried and tested this, and this ensures that I smell good and clean all day long. For my body oil, I either go with this or I have the L'Occitane's body oil as well, but I don't reach out to that one that much because the packaging of that one is not that great. But this is my go-to body oil from Plum. This is their Vanilla Vibes body oil. This makes my body smell like vanilla, and this is absolutely moisturizing. Love this one. I apply this all over my body. When it comes to body lotions, I have a lot of body lotions and body creams. These days I love this one from Sol de Janeiro. This is their Brazilian Bum Bum cream. This is what it looks like. This smells exactly like their 62 body mist. I love the packaging. I got the mini one so that I can travel with this one. This particular body cream is quite thick. I mean, you can see this makes you smell like pistachio, salted caramel and vanilla. This is incredible. Love this one. So you can definitely try out this one. I also have my favorite from Body Lovin' Vanilla Caramel Body Lotion. This smells like the Bum Bum Cream, but the consistency is very different. That one is quite thick and this is not that thick if you compare it with that one. But I think this one is also equally amazing. The hydration lasts for a long time. The smell also lasts for a long time. So I love both of these. I have other body lotions as well, but I reach out to these two the most. Now after moisturizing my body, I like to go in with my body mist and perfumes. I have a lot, but there are few that I like to use on a regular basis, like these two from Sol de Janeiro. This is their 62 cent and this is their 68 cent. 62 smells like salted caramel, pistachio, vanilla, and 68 smells like a candy with a hint of vanilla. I love both of these. I love how they smell once they are settled. With the steps that I do, I think they last quite a few hours. For that ultimate coconut and vanilla fragrance, I love using this one from Victoria's Secret. This is their vanilla and dreamy body mist. This is from their pink collection. Love the packaging. I love how incredible and edible this smells. I love using this all the time. This smells beautiful. You have to give this one a try. I absolutely love this one. We also have Bare Vanilla from Victoria's Secret. There are days when I just want to smell simple and elegant and just like vanilla, then I go with this one. Absolutely love the fragrance of this one. If you're looking for a budget friendly option, you can also try the Plum Body Lovin' Vanilla Vibes perfume. I love this one. This smells incredible, just like vanilla. Love it. Talking about oral hygiene, I personally feel that oral hygiene is much more important than anything else, because it can be a total game changer for you, not just because of how your breath is smelling, but also because your oral health is important. Your teeth is connected to so many nerves. It can impact your eyesight as well. So taking care of your oral hygiene is very, very important. Also, I feel if you know that your breath doesn't smell bad, it can be a great confidence booster. If you are somebody who works in an office, you can maybe carry like a small dental kit with your toothbrush and toothpaste, with like a mouthwash. I'm not very sure about mouthwashes because I always feel that they burn my mouth. So I like taking care of my oral hygiene in other ways, like drinking a lot of water, using an electric toothbrush because I feel they are much more efficient than your traditional toothbrushes, using a good toothpaste, and using a tongue cleaner. I think tongue cleaner can be a game changer. It takes out all the gunk from your tongue, so half of your job is done. You know that your breath will not smell bad. Using flosses, I mean flossing your teeth is so important. You can either use the stick ones, or you can use water flossers, or you can also use those strips that you get. Not strips but strings. My mom uses that one, so I also use that one, and I think those are the kind of steps you can take towards your oral hygiene. It's very, very important. So make sure you're taking care of your oral hygiene. When it comes to your skincare, I'm not diving into my entire skincare here, but I think if you wear makeup on an everyday basis, or if you have acne prone skin, make sure you're double cleansing your face using a micellar water or any kind of makeup remover first, and then going in with your actual cleansing routine and all of that. You also need a good cleanser which can actually clean your pores and make sure you do not have any blackheads and whiteheads. I love this one from Cosrx. This is their salicylic acid face wash. Love this one. I personally love using facial tissues after washing my face, or if I have to wipe anything from my face, I just use facial tissues. I don't use any towel or any cloth on my face because I get breakouts very, very easily, especially because of my PCOS. I get breakouts, and on top of that, if I use any cloth or anything like that, I think it can make it worse. So I like using facial tissues. I think this is a great way to keep your face clean and to make sure that your skin won't get breakouts easily. I think using a good toner and moisturizer combo is important. I love this one from Face Skin. This is their Daily Dip Moisturizer, and this is their Hydra Milk Toner. This is very, very hydrating. It doesn't break me out. Love the moisturizer too. It has ceramide, so it takes care of my skin's barrier, and it also hydrates and moisturizes my skin beautifully. Love this combo. You have to give this combo a try. I think having a good sunscreen is also important because sunscreen ensures that your skin is protected. It ensures that your dark spots are not getting darker because of the sun. It protects you from UV and UVB rays, so make sure you're using a good sunscreen. When it comes to lips, I think chapped lips look so weird, you know, crusty lips with skin peeling off. I hate it. So using a good lip balm is also important. I love this one from Laneige. Love the thickness and the fragrance of this one. So yes, this is my go-to lip balm. I think another way to look hygienic is to have clean and short nails. I love wearing nude nail paints because they make my hands look very dainty and clean and soft. So yes, this is my last hygiene tip, and with that we are ending our video here. I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.